There you are. Been looking for you.
I've been hiding from you.
Yeah, I figured. You want to talk about it? That's fair. You don't have to. I have some thoughts. For starters.
Did he send you up here?
No. In fact, he was strongly against this idea.
But here you are.
See? You're not the only one who doesn't listen to Dad.
Not the same thing. Besides, it doesn't matter coming from his golden boy.
Would you cut it with that shit? He doesn't play favorites.
Fuck off, John.
Hey, we're not done here. Want to go down this road again?
You're not letting this go, are you?
No.
What's it gonna take for him to trust me? I'm not the reckless piece of shit he thinks I am.
I don't want to argue, but you did just try to pull a gun on me because I wanted to have an uncomfortable conversation.
I'm working on it, okay?
I know. I see that.
Why doesn't he?
He's cautious. We know how Dad is. Trust isn't really his thing.
I know, but what's it gonna take? Everybody screws up. I've apologized. Why am I different? Why can't we get past this? He's not perfect, no one is! And I'm tired of him throwing it in my face.
Time. It'll take time. You've shown him you're sorry. That's all you can do.
How do I know if he believes me?
You don't. Which sucks. But it'll pass, Peter. Trust me. It'll pass.
How do you know?
You're his son. Take a step back and breathe. Okay? Want to get something to eat? Burgers?
Yeah, sure.
Try not to knock this place over, okay? How are things you and Joan? Got it. I'm sure you can get past the field there. This